things to do this Earth Day at Kent State University libraries.
Here in the tallest building in Portage County, you can check out books about sustainability, ecology, conservation, and funky fungi. Slay!
Oh, yeah.
Remember to reduce, reuse, and recycle in the appropriate containers. Okay. Mourn the countless tree lives lost in this building alone. And you can pick up a free book distributed by Kent State University Press about Ohio's beautiful nature at our Embrace Nature on Earth Day event. Take the books! We want you to take the books. They're free and they're about Ohio's nature. What more do you want?